nuts for a couple, 3 years. Was fortunate that the real estate business was just taking off. And so I called that area of interest out of the herd. And I remember at the time I formulated a business plan contemplating that, or at least hoping that about a year from then I could be fully occupied in real estate. And it did take me a month to achieve the goals that I set for a year. So I was able to quickly move everything else off my plate as soon as I could, in particular litigation. Litigation is a jealous mistress, as we know, and judges don't take kindly to people saying, you know, I need to get back to my office for a closing, Your Honor, and we'll reconvene the trial later. So I really had to make a choice, and I'm glad that I chose real estate. So I've done that now for, I guess, over 10 years, 1999 to 2012, so 12, 13 years. And it's been interesting. In addition, because of my diverse background, I also assist people with a couple other areas that fall in the category of what we call happy law, which means non-litigation, non-dispute resolution. That includes estate and will planning, which I mentioned a little bit about. When I first went out on my practice, I made a real effort to bone up on that area of law, and in particular, worked with a colleague who was with a big firm in Atlanta who gave me some really sophisticated wills and estate planning documents that I know serve my clients very well. And so when I prepare wills for people, I tell them, I think this will serve you for decades, unless you need to make changes, because I think the documents are very strong. And so I'm happy to do that. The third is a more general practice that I call small business consulting, but so often people just need somebody with a clear head and a fresh set of eyes. And my diverse background, once again, seems to equip me well. Having worked as a litigator, I'm often attuned to the sort of risks that can creep in unawares when people are doing what their common sense tells them might be appropriate. But also, my work over the years has challenged me to continually become clearer and clearer and more precise in my writing and also in my thinking, so that